Welcome to IT Learn 360. In this guide, we will prepare for CompTIA A+ by following realistic support situations rather than memorizing lists of hardware and commands. We will connect Core 1 and Core 2 topics to a first-week help desk scenario, where a technician must diagnose devices, support operating systems, recognize security issues, document work, and escalate when necessary. The goal is to make exam preparation look more like real IT support, because that same troubleshooting discipline helps with performance-based questions and entry-level support interviews. By the end of this guide, you should be able to explain how A+ knowledge appears in actual support work. That means recognizing the role of hardware, networking, operating systems, security, and operational procedures inside a ticket. You should also be able to approach performance-based questions as small troubleshooting tasks instead of surprises. Finally, you should have a simple way to document labs so an interviewer can see how you think. The focus is not tool name memorization, it is support reasoning and evidence. Learners often memorize ports, parts, and definitions without connecting them to symptoms. That makes both PBQs and real tickets harder. A+ becomes easier when you ask, what is the user experiencing? What evidence do I have? And what is the safest next step? Security should also appear throughout the troubleshooting process, not as a topic saved for the end. A technician who fixes a laptop but exposes user data has not solved the support problem. Good support combines technical accuracy, safety, documentation, and communication. Imagine your first week on a help desk. In one shift, a laptop fails after a storage warning, a user reports a suspicious email, a printer produces poor output, a Windows service blocks an application, and a remote employee cannot connect securely. These problems touch different A+ domains, but the support method stays consistent. Receive the ticket, ask questions, diagnose, fix or contain the issue, document the result, and escalate when the problem exceeds your role. We will use this sequence to connect exam topics to workplace behavior. Employers do not hire support technicians only because they can name components. They need people who can turn symptoms into a troubleshooting process, communicate with users, write usable ticket notes, and apply security during everyday support. A+ can signal that you understand the foundation, but your lab evidence shows how you use it. During an interview, saying, "I know storage," is weaker than explaining how you identified a failing drive, protected the user's data, tested the replacement, and documented the outcome. A+ covers a broad foundation because support teams face broad problems: PC hardware, mobile devices, networking, virtualization, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, security, malware, printers, cloud basics, and operational procedures all appear in ordinary support work. Do not study each topic as a separate island. A printer problem may involve networking. A Windows application issue may involve a service, permission, or security control. The transferable skill is being able to connect symptoms to the right layer and choose a safe troubleshooting step. A support ticket is a useful model for both the exam and interviews. Start by receiving the issue and confirming what the user is actually experiencing. Ask targeted questions instead of making assumptions. Diagnose using evidence. Apply the safest reasonable fix. Confirm that the user can work again. Then, document what you changed and escalate if the issue touches access, safety, data loss, or systems outside your responsibility. This flow helps you stay organized when a PBQ presents several pieces of information at once. Tool names matter only when you know what problem they help solve. Core 1 tools support hardware, mobile, and networking diagnosis. Core 2 tools help with operating systems, security, and software support. PBQs may ask you to configure or classify something, while workplace evidence comes from the way you use those tools inside a ticket. A command is not impressive because you memorized it. It becomes useful when you can explain what information it proves and how that evidence changes your next troubleshooting decision. A+ is broad, so learners sometimes skip topics they consider less interesting, such as printers, mobile devices, command line tools, or operational procedures. That creates exam gaps and weak support habits. Another mistake is treating security as a vocabulary list instead of part of every ticket. A better approach is to use short scenario drills, run basic Windows and Linux commands, classify phishing and malware indicators, and write concise support notes. Small, repeated practice builds the judgment needed for both PBQs and real users. Build one connected home lab story rather than collecting random screenshots. Open a sample ticket, inspect the device or virtual machine, run the command that gives you evidence, apply a fix, verify the result, and close with notes. Rotate through Windows settings, Linux commands, network checks, printer scenarios, malware response practice, and remote support situations. The screenshot is not the portfolio artifact by itself. The useful artifact is the explanation of the symptom, evidence, action, result, and what you would do next if the issue returned. You become more useful to a support team when you can move from recognition to action. Hardware knowledge should lead to a repair plan. Operating system knowledge should help you manage services, accounts, and files safely. Security basics should guide your response to phishing or malware. Operational procedures should show up in your notes and escalation decisions. A good way to test yourself is to ask whether another technician could read your ticket and understand what you observed, what you changed, and why. After the foundation is reliable, add more realistic support conditions. Practice performance-based simulations, remote support, basic zero-touch deployment concepts, cloud productivity tools, and device management scenarios. Strengthen security-first troubleshooting and professional escalation. Use Windows tools, Linux command line, device manager, services, event viewer, ticket systems, and virtual machines as part of scenarios rather than isolated exercises. The advanced skill is not using more tools, it is choosing the right tool quickly and explaining the evidence it gives you. A simple support portfolio can include a ticket log, command reference sheet, security scenario, and hardware checklist. Each artifact should answer an interview question. The ticket log shows communication and troubleshooting order. The command sheet shows which command proves a network or operating system condition. A phishing scenario shows how you protected the user and escalated appropriately. A hardware checklist shows how you tested before and after a change. These artifacts make A+ preparation visible instead of leaving all your work inside practice exams. Job board numbers change too quickly to treat them as promises, so this slide focuses on role families. A+ supports pathways into help desk, IT support, desktop support, field technician, junior systems, and technical support work. Employers still look for communication, customer service, and documentation alongside technical knowledge. Use A+ as a foundation, and then add Network Plus, Security Plus, or Cloud support based on the direction you want to take. Before publishing any exact posting count, update it again for the current date. This slide is where the IT Learn 360 A+ workbook can support your study. Use the Core 1 and Core 2 ticket scenarios to practice PBQ-style tasks, commands, troubleshooting notes, and escalation decisions. The interview questions help you turn a lab into a clear workplace explanation. The portfolio examples show how to present support evidence without inventing experience. The goal is to make your exam preparation produce artifacts you can reuse when preparing for help desk and desktop support interviews. Interview questions often sound simple, but test your process. If asked how you handle a computer that will not boot, describe the safe troubleshooting order and how you protect data. If asked about phishing, mention indicators, user protection, reporting, and escalation. If asked when you escalate a ticket, explain the boundary. Access, safety, business impact, or scope exceeds your role. Strong answers sound like a technician thinking through a real ticket, not a candidate reciting exam definitions. The 30-day plan is a study structure, not a promise of readiness. Use the first week to connect hardware and networking topics to tickets. Use the second week for operating system and command tasks. In the third week, simulate PBQs and security cases while building your ticket portfolio. Use the fourth week to review weak domains and practice interview explanations. If you need more time, take it. The objective is to leave the month with stronger evidence and troubleshooting habits, not simply a completed calendar. As you finish, keep 4 habits in mind. Think in symptoms and evidence rather than memorized answers. Practice PBQs with hands-on configuration. Document every lab so another technician could follow your reasoning. Connect technical work to user service, because the purpose of support is to restore safe, reliable work for the user. If you prepare for A+ this way, the exam topics become part of a practical support mindset instead of a temporary list to memorize and forget.